In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code or codes for Morrisons. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to google.com. Once we're here in the Google search bar, type in promo codes for Morrisons. Or promo code, yeah, promo code for Morrisons, and make sure to spell it correctly. Alright, so once we're here on the Google search results, we've got a few different third-party sites offering different promo codes. So the ones I like to use here is called Coupon Follow. We've got We Thrift It. You can check out the ones in the middle here. I personally haven't used any of them, but yeah, Coupon Follow, We Thrift It are pretty good. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go to Coupon Follow. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly. So what you're seeing on the screen now might be different, or it probably is different to what you're seeing when I'm speaking to you in the future. So yeah, I'm over at Coupon Follow. A cool thing about couponfollow.com, if we scroll down, they've got previously featured codes and stuff, or they don't have it here, but yeah, they generally do. But if we go back to the top of the page to activate any one of these promo code deals, simply click onto it. So if I want to get up to 15% off groceries with Morrison's coupon code, I'm just going to click on the blue show coupon code like so. And then here's the code. Click copy and then paste this at the checkout section of morrisons.com to activate 15% off your groceries using that code. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so what you see now, it might be different in the future. And another thing to take note, that these codes do expire. So if it's expired, just simply move on to the next code.